Hello guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel, Channeling Episteme. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. You can then also share and like this video and other videos in this channel. And also, you can drop your comment at the comment section below. Let me know what you feel. Let me know your view about this video I'm dropping and other videos too. Then the only way you can do that is by dropping your comment at the comment section below. The term work, energy, and power are popular terms used in biology, used in chemistry, also used in physics. And these three terms are different. And that is the reason why we'll be taking a look at the difference between work, energy, and power in physics. And also the formula for each of these terms and how we arrive at the formula for each of these terms. Taking work as the first one, a work is said to be done whenever a body moves an object towards a certain distance in the direction of force, and it is said to be equal to the force and distance moved. And this is the reason why we arrive at the formula for work to be force times distance, because from the definition we are being as in from the definition or from the description of work, it is said to be done whenever a body moves an object towards a certain distance in the direction of force, and it is equal to the force and distance moved. So you might be wondering, how do we arrive at the formula for work to be force times distance? That is how we arrived at the formula for work, force times distance. And also the unit for work is joules. That is, if you are being given any question in work and you are done with the calculation and your final answer, maybe it is 10, it is 72, it is 50, you need to apply the unit joules. It is very important, especially in physics. Any calculation in physics, you need to apply your unit. It is very, very important because it also awards you mark. So you'll be giving your force, which will be in Newton. Yes, force. The general SI unit for force is Newton, and also you'll be giving your distance, which is your S. That is F times S, force times distance. You won't write your distance as D, but S, force times distance. So you'll be giving your distance also in meters. You might be giving your distance in centimeters then, but you will need to convert into meter, because the SI unit for anything that has to do with distance, anything that has to do with length is meters. So all you need to do is take those units and apply them to the formula, which is force. Your force, you would write it down times your distance, whatever is being given to you as your distance, you write it down also. You multiply them together, you get your answer, and after you get your answer, you apply the unit, which is joules. Now moving to energy. Energy is the ability to do work. And as we know, we have different types of energy. That is, we have potential energy, kinetic energy, mechanical energy, sound energy, etc. Now, in these various types of energy, two energy are very popular, especially when it comes to physics. And these two most popular energy are kinetic and potential energy. As some of us know that kinetic energy, these are energy in motion. So the formula for kinetic energy is always half mv square, where your m is your mass and also the v square, that is the v is your velocity, and the half there is the average. That is, you find the average for both your mass and your velocity. So whatever you are being given as your velocity, you write it. If it is 3, then it will be 3 squared. Then your mass also, you'll be given your mass must be in kilogram. That is, whatever you are being given as your mass, if you are giving your mass as gram, you need to convert into kilogram. That is, you divide anything that you are being given. If it is 40 gram you are being given, then converting it to kilogram, you need to divide that 40 by 1000. Then half, then your half, which is also part of the formula. So it will be half 1/2 times m times v square. Then you simplify. Whatever you now get for your answer, the SI unit for kinetic energy also is joules. That is, whatever you get for your answer, you write joules. And generally energy, that is the SI unit for energy, is joules. So whatever you get for your potential energy, whatever you get for your kinetic energy, you write joules. And also your potential energy, as we know that potential energy, these are energy at rest, and the formula is mgh. The formula for potential energy is mgh. That is, your m will be your mass, then your g, that is the acceleration due to gravity, which is always constant, that is 9.8, unless you are being given otherwise, that is you are being given a value for your acceleration due to gravity. But if you are not given your acceleration due to gravity, just know that it is 9.8. Yes, and also your age, which is your height, you will also be giving your as in the value for your you'll be giving a value for your height. So it is m times g, that is acceleration due to gravity, times height. You simplify whatever you get, then you write your answer. If you get 80, then it will be 80 joules. Do not forget the unit. Unit is very, very important in physics. Like I said earlier, it helps you to earn mark. Yes, it earn you mark. In fact, it is one of those aspects that they look at when it comes to physics. And whenever you are dealing with calculation, do not forget your unit. It is very, very important. And also, lastly, power. Power is the capacity to do work. There is a difference between energy and power. Energy is the ability to do work or to perform work, while power is the capacity to do work. I'll give you an example. If you have a 10-year-old boy with you, the 10-year-old boy has eaten, that is, he has energy in him. We can see our energy as our fuel. Yes, I think the general pronunciation for fuel, it is fuel. Yes, as in that is the way we call it here, fuel, but it is fuel. So we can see our as in we can view our energy as fuel. But now you asking that 10-year-old boy to carry a 25 liter of jerry can, the 10-year-old boy doesn't have the power to carry it. But someone like me now, I have this I have energy in me. I've eaten, as in I have the energy in me, and you ask me to carry a 25 liter, you understand, of jerry can, in which I'll be able to carry. So I have the energy and also I have the power, and that is the reason why power is said to be the capacity to do work. And also the formula for power and also the capacity to do work with time. Yes, because if you ask me to carry that 25 liter of jerry can, in which I've carried, there will be a limit, you understand, in which I'll be able to lift it up. There will be a limit in which I'll be able to lift it up. And that is the reason why the formula for power is force times distance over time. And the SI unit for power is watt. WATT. That is, whatever you get for your power, you must apply the unit watt, or you can represent that watt with capital letter W. So power is force times distance over time. Your force, which will be given to you in Newton, your S, which is your distance that will be given to you in meter, divided by the time, and your time will be given to you in seconds. Then you apply the value of this as in you apply the value. You understand? You apply the value for force. You apply it to force times. You apply the value of distance, that is your S. You apply it to it. Maybe you are being given your force to be 20, then your distance to be 10, then divided by that is the time. Maybe you are giving your time to be 5, so that would be 20 times 10 divided by 5. You simplify, you get your answer, and you apply your unit. This is how far I'll be. So this is how far I'll be able to go today. And thank you for staying with me. And I'm very sure you've gained a lot. And please, if you have gained a lot today, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, share and like this video, and also click the notification button. So as soon as I drop any video, you will be notified. And please, you can also drop your comment at the comment section below. Thank you very much. See you next time.